Alright then, so the new Vue CLI comes shipped with this pretty cool GUI or graphical user interface, and it looks something like this right here. So in this tool, we can create new projects, we can manage projects, install plugins, dependencies, and configure some other options as well. So this is good if you don't like using the command line so much to set up your project or manage your projects. We have this UI tool now instead. So I'm going to show you how we can use this in the next couple of tutorials. The first thing we have to do is use this command, Vue UI, and that's going to open this tool up in a browser. So let's see how we can do that. So over in the command line, it doesn't matter what folder you're currently in. I've navigated back up to the recording folder, so I'm not even in the Vue CLI3 folder where these projects are. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say Vue and then UI. So this should just take a couple of seconds, then open up in a browser the UI tool over here. Now mine has got the dark theme on it, but yours might look a bit like this instead. But if you want to switch, just go to this little raindrop down at the bottom and that toggles between the two. Okay, so you can see now we're in the projects and I've already imported one project here. Now you might not see anything here. No matter where you're starting the UI tool from in the command line, you probably won't see anything here if it's the first time that you're using the project manager. So what you need to do is actually import the projects into the Vue project manager. They're not auto listed here. Now to do that, go to import, and then you want to navigate to a folder that you want to import them from. So I'm going to go to the Vue CLI3 folder, which is this thing over here. And you can see now over here we have these two projects, and we know the projects because they've got this V next to it. So what I'm going to do is select the Ninja default, and I'm going to import this folder. Now that's going to import it and also open it up in the project manager. Now I just want to go back to the list, so I'm going to scoot back a little bit so we can see these now, and we can see them both listed here because I've imported this one and this one now. Okay, now if I wanted to manage one of these projects, I just click on it. If I want to open one of these projects up in a text editor, I click on this button right here and it will open it up in VS Code. And if I want to delete it, then I can press that button right here. It doesn't delete the project, it just removes it from the project manager. Okay, so how do we create a new project then? Well, surprise, surprise, we go to create, and it's going to ask us where we want to create this. So again, I'm going to go to the Vue CLI3 folder where my other projects are, and I'll create the new project here. So first of all, give this a name. I'm going to call it Ninja UI since we're in the UI tool, and then we can choose a package manager, yarn or npm. I'm going to go with npm. We can overwrite the target folder if it already exists. Well, in my case, it doesn't. We don't have a folder called Ninja UI, so I don't need to check this. But if you do and you want to override that, just check this. We can also initialize a Git repository, and by default it will do, but if you don't want that, just uncheck this. And we can add an initial commit message if we want to. So I'm going to go to next, and now these are the presets. So remember when we were talking about presets and we created our own presets as well? Well, it's listing those custom presets right here. Ninja preset, which I already had before I recorded these videos, and also this one, Ninja Custom 2, which we created. We could also scroll down here and select manual setup like we did before and select the features we want, or we could use a remote preset from a Git repository. For now, just to keep it simple, I'm going to go with the default preset and create this project. So this might just take a few minutes, so I'm going to pause the video here and see you on the other side. Alright then, so now the Vue UI has run its magic, it's created this project and it's opened up this project in the project manager. So right here, we can see all of the project plugins, the CLI service, CLI plugin Babel and ESLint. So they are the default plugins that we get with that default preset, right? Now, if you look over here, we also have these buttons, add Vue router, add Vuex. So they are just buttons that we can go to quickly install these things. We don't have to install them this way. We can install them adding the plugins separately or going to the command line, but they're just kind of quick access buttons to do that. There's also a few other things in here, which I'm going to show you in the next tutorial. But for now, I just want to scoot back over to the text editor just so we can see that this new project is now in the Vue CLI folder. So we can see that right there. So what it's telling me to do now is cd into the folder and then run npm run serve. So much like we created a new project down here in the command line before, now what it's doing is creating it over here from the UI, but we're still getting the same results and we still do things the same way afterwards, okay? So there we go, my friends. That's how to create a new project in the new Vue UI tool. Like I said, in the next video, what we'll do is explore a couple more of these different options down here and how to add new plugins as well.